Ka-chow!
You're looking for a DE3175. I'll put a link in the description. Start by pressing the sides of the dome light cover together and pulling the cover off of the bulb. You can see the two little notches you're pressing on here. The bulb is just wedged in, so you can pull it down towards the floor and it will come right out. Double check the bulb by looking at the filament to see if it is complete. If it's broken, then go ahead and replace the bulb. If it's complete, you may have a different problem. Wedge the new bulb back into the two holes it mounts in. Test the light's function and put the cover back on.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.